Hi everyone, I'm Weatherwatch forecaster Aaron Wilkinson with a look at your forecast for the next 4 days. As you can see by the animated wind map we've got here, there's a southwesterly airflow over New Zealand. A weak front will have passed off to the northeast of the North Island this afternoon, and there's another front lining up in the Southern Ocean ready to move on to the lower South Island overnight or perhaps more towards dawn on Wednesday. Right for the forecast from this afternoon onwards. For the western side of the North Island, cloudy areas, some sun at times also, and there may be the odd shower. For the eastern side of the North Island, expect a few showers about the Wairarapa clearing away. For Hawke's Bay and Gisborne, mainly dry, but the odd shower may tick through this afternoon as the wee southwest flick moves through. For the South Island, cloudy areas in the west, perhaps a shower, mainly Hokitika northwards. Rain moves on to Fiordland overnight or perhaps more towards dawn on Wednesday. For Southland, expect mostly cloudy skies, risk of a shower. Otago, a mix of sun and cloud, chance of an isolated shower late afternoon or evening. For Canterbury, expect mostly sunny weather, perhaps an isolated shower late afternoon or evening. Banks Peninsula southwards, although that chance is fairly low, most places are looking mainly dry. And then Nelson and Marlborough, mainly sunny weather today with light winds. Moving on to Wednesday, a fresh westerly airflow lies over the North Island. Cloudy skies generally speaking in the west, perhaps the odd shower about. Showers more likely later in the day and overnight. For the east coast, mainly dry and sunny with some high cloud, temperatures getting into the low to mid-20s. For the west coast of the South Island, heavy rain moves northwards along the coast during the day. For the east coast, expect rain about Southland and Otago to gradually move northwards during the day, reaching Christchurch in the evening. Nelson and Marlborough staying mainly dry with plenty of thick high cloud. A few showers may affect the Tasman and northwest Nelson Ranges area later in the afternoon and evening, however. Right, moving on to Thursday. A weak front is draped across the North Island, bringing mostly cloudy skies, the odd patchy shower about. Parts of the lower North Island and the east coast may see large areas of dry, however. The same goes for northern parts of Northland. Okay, moving on to the South Island. Expect mostly sunny weather, some cloud about at times along the west coast. A few showers about Southland, pushing into Otago late afternoon or evening. There may even be an isolated shower moving to south mid-Canterbury late afternoon or evening. Once again, these showers are quite isolated in nature, so many areas may remain fairly dry. Then moving on to Friday, for the North Island, fairly cloudy as we've still got a weak front draped across the North Island during the day. Expect showers or areas of rain for most areas. Wellington, the Wairarapa and parts of Northland still remaining dry, however. For the South Island, expect mostly sunny weather in the south, the west and the north, with areas of high cloud. For the east coast, Canterbury and coastal Otago, quite cloudy, perhaps even a light shower or two. That cloud will start to break away overnight. Right, that's your forecast, and just for people in the North Island to let you know that from Sunday or perhaps Monday early next week, there is a chance of areas of high pressure becoming more common, and this may lead to more settled weather finally, which a lot of people on the North Island, especially Auckland, are looking out for, so something to watch. Right, that's your forecast. I'm Aaron Wilkinson for weatherwatch.co.nz.